Yeah, no, so I feel that increasing the numbers the way I hear increasing, a hard kakra. Without any reason, I do not think that we should be increasing the number of Supreme Court judges. There has to be some compelling reason. I bet me, I can say, when and I hear the number, no, yeah, I say, yeah, increasing number, no, but I do not see some reason, no.
Okay.
What has here?
Okay.
We could maintain the minimum threshold, no. What has here? Unless there's some, compelling reason. Yeah, who's ye na president kaza okay. In that case, you per se DB count na ye. That having said so, there's also the issue of appointing more high court judges and appeal court judges. And the obia oka say enya na mintiasie because enya say sebi there is this deliberate attempt to increase the number of high court judges to go and sit in existing courts. Be a new courts.
Yeah.
Until once there are new courts, there will be the appointment of new judges.
More judges, yeah.
What has here?
Yeah.
Until at the high court level, me feel that it is because of the increase in the number of courts, which for me is to expedite justice delivery. Because so be free gambaga akotamale and sana we share high court. Na ye di be a brain wa gambaga. Mijidi say no kwanswano no.
Yeah.
What has here? It expedites the delivery of justice and it is safe also. What you must say? And no, it comes with the need to appoint new judges. And these high court judges now, appeal court judges, numbers no cost there. Media, I think it is understandable because of the increase in the number of courts. Yes, what you say? But I have the matter at issue for me. Any the number of Supreme Court judges. We are not clearly telling ourselves, you do sa level here, and man traho. The maximum threshold is open. Even though there's a minimum threshold. And that's where I have an issue. Because it is open to abuse. And Kahunu to say, appointment of Supreme Court judges, is in the bosom of the president. Or not decide to say, okay, I want to appoint Supreme Court judges. Even though there are procedures for approval, except the Council of State, I think General Legal Council, whatever. There is a certain process. But eventually, all starting or initiative process, to do the appointments, the president. What is here?
Yeah.
Until when you be president who feels he wants to control the Supreme Court, Nandi Pan decided to say, I am going to appoint more justices to the Supreme Court. Because there's no maximum threshold. HN is Udru Hadi Awapim. Until Nipan can continue to appoint until Obenya Nambana that would rule in a manner that is favorable to or no Mampenino. And like I said, Supreme Court judges beyond the law, are driven by ideologies also. I can say the business of the Supreme Court is not just the law. They look beyond the law.